everyone, so I'm here with my iX3 scooter by iScooter, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about it. First of all, I'll show you this in a second. It has a smart LCD display. It's an incredibly comfortable ride. I've ridden this, I don't know, probably about 40 or 50 miles already. And it's very, very comfortable. I even took it through some rocks and did a little bit of off-roading, and it was very, very, very impressive, and maintained an incredibly comfortable ride the entire time. The tires that you see, both front and back, are 10-inch off-road tubeless tires, which are really nice. It has both front and rear dual shock absorbers. So right here and right here on either side, and I'll show you a close-up of that here in a moment too. It has a 20 to 25 mile range for the battery itself, which is really impressive. And it has a 25 mile an hour max speed to it as well. It has a 48 volt 10 AH battery built into it. With regenerative braking as well. It has a lock and unlock feature from the app, and the app is really, really, really nice. And it has cruise control at multiple different speeds, not just the top speed. So you can go top speed or anywhere in between with the cruise control. Custom riding modes, 20 to 25%. Hill grade capability, so it goes uphill really, really easily and effortlessly. 800 watt brushless motor, but let's show you, actually I'm going to show you real quick how it collapses also before we get into the computer itself. So first of all, you see this kickstand here, which is really handy. But basically you're going to pull this pin out and pull this red lever right here back. Push that black little button on the side, and it folds in really, really nicely for you to be able to carry as well. And as you can see, I'm doing that with one hand. So let me show you one other thing before we get into the computer itself. Lock this into place first. There we go. Oh, the other thing I wanted to show you was this guy. So you can loosen this up, and depending on your height, I don't know if you're seeing it super well with the camera, but this adjusts up and down depending on your height preference for that piece. So let's show you the computer system. All right, so also real quick, I just want to show you these handlebars. I'm going to pull this down a little bit. But these handlebars fold down as well. So if you're traveling with it, or you just need it to be more compact, you can do that as well. And let's jump into the computer part. All right, so we're here with the computer part of things. And you'll notice it's miles per hour. It shows the temperature in Fahrenheit, and it shows the total number of trip miles. Here where you see it all zeroed out, that's just the number of miles per hour that you're going at that particular moment. But if I press this mode button right here, it switches everything over. So Celsius, kilometers per hour, and kilometers per hour. This box right here just shows you your top speed for that particular trip. It has a fabulous light, so I'll go ahead and turn that on. See how bright that is? And it's down there. So again, I'll show you the wall. That's without the light, and that's with the light. Okay. Great horn, very loud, which is important. That's what the horn sounds like. And then you have different sport modes. So right now I have it on turbo. If I press this S button right here, it goes to eco, standard, and turbo, okay? It also has a turn signal as well. So that's right here. So if I turn on the left turn signal, that's what it looks like. If I turn on the right turn signal, that's what it looks like. If I hit the brake, everything lights up. So you're not going to miss that. This is where the throttle is, and then you have a brake and brake on both sides for both the front and rear brake. Top speed of 25 miles an hour, excellent battery life. It shows you, and it has an indicator if you're using the turn signal or not. This little indicator, you can barely see it, but that lights up if you have the cruise control on. And this has been a really, really, really fabulous and terrific scooter, and phenomenally impressive. So I'll show it to you with me riding it as well here in a second. But overall, I very highly recommend, and I hope you enjoy it.